Your deal, your way.
Make a great choice today with 2021 Corolla Hatchback. The Toyota Corolla Hatchback will make you smile. The performance and shifty driving experience will certainly leave you wanting more. A sharp exterior look and an abundance of technology, like the Toyota Safety Sense, make this a vehicle worth looking at. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, alloy wheels, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, anti-lock braking system, braking assist, outside temperature gauge, power brakes, rear window wiper. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
For years, Ramey Auto Group has been doing the deal with our customers.
We do the deal.
Times are changing. We're still doing the deal, just better.
Now you can shop online and do your deal your way, from shopping to valuing your trade and negotiating a price. You can do it all from home. Ramey is making your deal easier and giving you the most convenient car buying experience around.
Most of our customers that start their deal online are in our showrooms less than an hour and on the road in no time.
So check us out at yourdealyourway.net and find a new way to do the deal only at Ramey.